Oh, that is so good. I love their chicken salad.
That's awesome.
And maybe some of those flat,
Flatbread.
yeah, those flatbread things.
Yeah, so you don't have so much bread. Yeah.
I found the best recipe.
Excuse me, this is my chair.
Okay.
I had them forever. The whole
Look how long it took her to recognize her. Told you she's gonna cry.
Don't I just stand in there?
Oh yeah, for across the country.
She couldn't wait any longer.
Oh my gosh! I am shocked. Can you tell?
Okay, that's enough. I got you.
Oh
Okay, I got you.
my
I know
god!
her.
In the world? Wait a minute. Oh my
My beautiful friend. My wonderful friend.
Oh God! What the
Mr.
heck are
Bellstein
you
is
doing
taking
here?
you.
Oh, so you're just passing by?
Val wanted us to meet Venus, so we came over.
Oh my
It's not about you, Audie.
God!
Oh, God.
Holy fuck! Can I?
You didn't know me sitting down, did you? Oh, feel my leg. It's shaking.
I was like, excuse me, this is my chair.
Well, okay.
Yeah, really.
Right at me.
Yeah.
I took
Looked
my
right at her and
glasses
didn't know
off.
who
She
she
didn't get
was.
it. I took my hat off.
She shook her hair a little bit. I was like, what the? I was gonna say, you look just like.
When were you going to say
I
that?
was going ready to say that. You looked. I was like, holy shit, this is Bina.
Thank you, Val.
Oh my gosh. So what? How long has this been in the works?
2 years.
Gracious.
Yeah, about 2 years. Remember I told you? Well, you constantly were after me. Come on out, Bina. Come on. When are you coming out? Come on, Bina. When are you coming?
You know, I just saw something recently about a Bina call or something. Was it on your phone? I can't remember.
She's
And
looking
I
at
was
your
just,
phone.
and I was like, what? That was weird. That
Really?
was really
She's seeing
weird.
if you're checking out
She
women.
is.
How come you didn't guess
She's
then?
seeing if you're checking out
That's
other
what she
women.
is. I didn't realize she's doing that.
Oh,